It's hard to sing from behind a facial covering. But the congregation at Southside Church of Christ in Lubbock made a joyful noise this past Sunday. The first day members met in person in over a month. Under Texas guidelines, churches could reopen doors in April. Most continued to offer virtual services through the month. When gathering restrictions were loosened last week, churches were tasked with figuring out what worshiping looks like while virus COVID-19 continues to spread. About 30 people attended the Sunday service at Southside. Preacher Tommy Hicks says there probably should have been less.
There were people here today I really didn't think ought to be here. That's my opinion, and their opinion different, and they have got a right to do.
The church was deep cleaned before reopening. Attendees were required to wear a mask and were given one at the door if they didn't already have one. When it came time to receive sacrament, people lifted or removed their mask, but put it back after.
We partake of this bread, we do it in a manner that's pleasing in thy sight. We ask these things in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Gloves and hand sanitizer were also available. A collection basket was in the center aisle for contactless offerings, and people sat 6 feet apart, marked by blue painter's tape on the pews.
We also encourage those who felt that they might be at risk to continue to worship with us by means of the internet and the radio. And I know that there were a number out there who chose to do that.
That's Church Elder Vince Fell. He's also head of information technology at the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center. He used protocols from work and recommendations from officials to plan what the first day back at Southside would look like.
When it came time to come back, we wanted to do so in such a manner that would be safe to our members here and not spread.
Fell was a little worried before reopening.
Because we're a very close-knit congregation, and we have great love for our members here, our brothers and our sisters, and I was really concerned that people would be overcome when they came back together for the first time. But I will tell you, I was very pleased and actually pretty impressed with the restraint that was shown.
Pastor Hicks says even while physically apart, the pandemic has brought the religious world together. During his sermon, Hicks talked about biblical era crises. There are lessons to be learned from those, he says.
You know, the thing is, if you go back to what we see in the scriptures, we're going to go through bad times one way or another, somehow or another, but we can be victorious if we be patient and faithful to God.
Follow our COVID-19 coverage at kttz.org. We also want to hear your stories. Connect with us on Twitter and Instagram at TTU Public Media. For Texas Tech Public Media, I'm Sarah Self-Walbrick. Support for this program comes from Texas Mutual Insurance Company. In response to the COVID-19 crisis, Texas Mutual is distributing dividends to eligible policyholders 2 months early, along with other community relief actions. More at texasmutual.com/dividends.